If you scroll down to traffic permissions, you will be able to edit the traffic permissions, and you will be able to choose which domain you would like to allow to send the pixel data. And I've added both of them. And here's the interesting part. So what Facebook says is you versus traffic.com and subdomains will be able to send pixel data. What it means basically that you don't have to verify your subdomain because you need to verify it here. So you need to allow your domain to send pixel data, and it will allow subdomain to send it to. Okay, now let's open the ad, and here is the most exciting part. Let's see if it works. Okay, so the website URL, I've added google.uversustraffic.com, not the root domain. And what it does is analyze that, and below it allows you to choose the domain. If the domain is not correct, so if I would have another domain and use this in website URL, it should throw me an error because you need that to be able to send domain events. So if the domain is a match, and let's see if it works. Change it to google.com. Google.com. Okay, and let's see. Okay, now you can see that it says, is this the domain where you intend to measure conversions? It doesn't match your website URL. And let's go back. Let's change it back to what we want to track. So Google U versus traffic.com. And now the error disappears. So basically for Facebook purposes, you need to verify root domain. And then in Pixel, you need to allow your domain and subdomain to send events to Pixel, right? And then as you can see, once I verified the domain, once I connected events to the domain, you can see that it's working with the subdomain too.